Jesus Christ. I am trading today and I want to teach you my own strategy. It's a one candle strategy. You see, everybody has his own strategy of trading, but I've back tested this strategy and it works for me. And I've managed to make money. I have my own live account, I have a demo account as well. So I'm going to show you both live and demo account and then I'll proceed to my strategy right now. So listen, this is my demo account. You could see is earning money, although this is not real money. It's from a demo account, but it's the same thing as real money because you can manipulate the market out there. So I know people says you can manipulate the demo account, so on and so forth. The only way you can manipulate the demo is when you had fund and amount of fund. But when you are trading, you will notice the same candle that you have in a demo account is the same candle you have on a live account. So you could see my demo account. Let me show you my live account here. So look at my live account. I'm in profit as well. This is my live account. You can see live account. So, and I'm trying to flip £10 or $10 to $20, and I've already flipped it already. As you can see, $18 already. So now let me show you my strategy. As you can see, my strategy is just one candle strategy. You look for the direction of the day. You could see that the direction is up side, which means it's trending towards the upside. As you can see, my trend line and showing that it's trending to the upside. So, and I could see a reversal candle here, reversal candle here, a reversal candle here, and that's why I took my trade. Now let me now show you the strategy. Immediately I saw the reversal, I look for a perfect entry, which is, let's go to the smaller entry, market of the day. So you could see the perfect entry in here. That's 30 minutes. Let me go down to 15 minutes so that you can see clearly. You see the 15-minute candle. You could see it has broken this lower high. It has broken this lower high here in this area. So immediately he broke it, I took my trade here at this point. The moment I took my trade, then I can rest assured for the rest of the day that I will be profitable. It's just one candle, and that is what I trade. You can trade one candle in 1 hour, you can trade one candle in 2 hours or 4 hours or a day, but you can back test it before you continue to trade just the way I am trading. You see, I trade from demo and I trade from my live account. Now what I'm planning to do is to take that demo account up to $1 million, where I take my normal account, live account and flip account every single time. As you can see, I'm making profits already. You can see I've flipped $10 to $20 now. You can see I flipped it now. So let's look at the demo account. You can see already I started this demo account with less than 100,000, $50,000, but I flipped the account to $308. You could see I cannot manipulate this. You could see the account the way it is growing. So, and that is my strategy. Well, follow me on this channel so I keep teaching you how you can make money online through forex trading. This strategy, I took my time to analyze and understand it, and I've started making money out of it. So Stay tuned, follow me on this community, and see you soon next time. God bless you.